everybody, this is the Vaping Vixen coming to you with Paradise Vape, and tonight I have Ocean Breeze. It is a 12 milligram e-liquid, and their description says a cool mint that leaves a chill down your throat, and that's exactly what it does. It's a cool mint that leaves a chill down your throat. It has a very good throat hit, if that is what you're after. And if you like menthols, this would be the perfect vape for you. But if you do not like menthols, then you would not like this vape at all, because it is very minty, very refreshing, very tasteful e-liquid, and it just wouldn't be something for a non-menthol liker. But if you like menthols, then you're gonna love this vape, and I would recommend this vape to anyone based on its overall vapor production, the quality of the vape, and the taste. But this is the Vaping Vixen saying vape on, vape long, and vape strong. Bye.